Hey kids, let's get started with our new topic, a very interesting topic in place value system. Here we have already understood about Indian place value chart, right? We know that these are the periods that we have ones and we have the places. We have thousands period also, lakhs period also. But today let us understand the Indian place value chart also. Now, why is it important? See, we are not living in a closed country, right? We go outside the country also. So, since this is Indian, so in India, this place value system is followed. But outside India, in countries, international place value system is followed. Let us see the difference. Here, if you will see, let me take you one by one to with each period. If over here, according to Indian place value system and international place value system, one's period is same, right? We have in both the systems, we have one's period, we have ones, tens and hundreds places in one's period. Now, moving ahead, in Indian place value system, we have thousands period wherein we have only two places, thousands and 10,000s. Whereas in international system, we have thousands period, but we have one more place in thousands period, that is 100,000s. All right, so if I say over here, if you will see, if you will compare over here, in according to Indian place value system, it is 6 lakh, right? It is 6 lakh. But if I have to give you the value according to international place value system, it will be 600,000. Because here, if we have 6 over here also, right? Like here it is 6 lakh, but if I have 6 over here also, let me just write it down, it will be more clear to you. So over here, now let's see. So this is 6 lakh, right? But in international place value system, it will be, since it is at 100,000s, so it will be 600,000. All right, 600,000. So I can say that 1 lakh equals to 100,000. All right. Similarly, if we move ahead in our Indian place value system, we have lakhs period, 10 lakhs and lakhs, right? But in millions, now we have million. So 1 million is equals to 10 lakh. 1 million, 1 million over here it is million, so 1 million is equals to 10 lakh. The values remain the same, right? But the places are changed. So we have given different names to our these places. All right, so internationally we say like these are 100,000, 600,000, 642,000. If we have to read this number according to international, so we know that in periods we read the number together. So this is thousands period, so 642,000. All right, are you getting my point? So this is 642. First we are going to read this number, 642,966. And then similarly, when we talk about millions period, here we have million, 10 million, 100 million. So in international place value system, each period is having three places. So over here it is 100 million. So now if I have to read this number, we are going to read the millions period together, like 291. 291,642,966. Understood? Let me revise international place value system once again. In international place value system, we have three places in each period. Here we have the ones period, same as Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundreds. Then thousands period, here we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 places. Then after thousands we have millions, here million, 10 million and 100 millions, right? So these are the places. Now let me just write down this number over here again, because we have to mark the periods, right? So this is the same way. We know the method how we mark the periods. We start from the ones period over here. So this is the ones period. I have marked the period. Now thousands period. Now in international we have three places. So 1, 2, 3. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. We mark the period. Now here it is millions. So 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So here again we have marked the period. Now it is easy for us to read the number according to international place value system, right? So this is 291 million. First we are going to read the number together, right? So 291,642,966. Now over here, let me just give you example of number name, how we can write the large number in words according to international place value system. So before writing this number in words, we have to do what? Yes, we have to mark the periods. Very good. So over here, we mark the periods from this number. We know that this is ones period, ones, tens, hundreds, ones period over. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, thousands period over. Now this is million, 10 millions, right? So over here, the way we speak the number, 43,609,725. So in the same way, we are going to write this number in words. Now over here, remember how we write the number names? The first letter has to be in capital letter, rest all the letters will be in lowercase. And then we mark the periods in numerals only, not in the number name, right? And the S. In number name, we don't write S. Like the way we speak, it is 43 million. We don't say millions. When we have to tell the place or period, then we put S, right? All right. So here we have written the number name according to the international place value system. 43 million 609,000. Now many kids forget to write 1,000 or many kids forget to write 100. You need to remember then when we are writing the number name for thousands period, first we have to speak the number together like it is 609 and then we mention the period. Okay, so 725. Let me take you with another example also over here. So over here, let's mark the period first. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000s. So over here we have 100 million also. 100 millions place also. So how we speak the number? 103 million. We speak the number together. 103,684,128. Alright, so now you write this number name in the comment section. Let me see whether you have understood or not. Let's move ahead. Let's talk about this table, period, place value and face value of the underlined digits. And this we are going to write according to the Indian place value system. Alright, so over here, this is the large number. But what is the first thing that we do? Absolutely, we mark the periods. Now since this is international place value system, so ones period, 1,000 period, and this is millions period, right? And now over here the digit 4 is underlined. Now we know that this is thousands, this is millions, and in millions we have million, 10 million and 100 million. So what is the period? First of all, this 4 is falling in which period? It is falling in millions period. What is the place of this digit in millions period? It is 10 millions. What is the place value? So 4 into now 10 million. You need to write down all the zeros over here. So it will be like 40 million Understood? 40 million. And what is the face value? Do you remember? Yes, the digit itself. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in which period, whether we are talking about international or Indian place value system. The digit itself, which digit do you look over here? What is the digit? 4. So 4 is the face value. Let me give you one more example. Then the last one, you are going to solve it by yourself. First thing, we mark the periods. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. I'm just repeating so that it is a thorough revision is also done side by side. So which period? Absolutely millions period. Which place? Oh, it is same. Yeah. So 10 millions. Place value. Oh, I was just not 3. I don't have enough space, so I'm just writing it 10 million over here. So it will be 30 million. And the face value is 3, the same as it is, right? Now for this one, you have this task. For this one, write down the period, place value and face value for this digit 9 over here in the comment section. And now I hope that it is very much clear to you the difference also in Indian and international. We have 3 periods in international right now, which we are going to study in this class. Let me just give you a quick revision over here. So in this class, we are going to study about 3 periods in international place value system. Ones period, 100, ones, tens, hundreds are the places in ones period. It is same as the Indian place value system. Then thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000s, right? Then after thousands period, we have millions period. Million, 10 million and 100 millions. So in each period in international place value system, we have 3 places. All right. And we mark the period according to the periods in international place value system. All the best, kids.